Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Big Allen Cox. This is my Stihl BG 65 blower. I've been using this blower for a number of years, and I will say it's been absolutely great. I bought it used from Joe's tractor sales some years back, and I want to say the blower gets used a lot, even in the winter months. And it's been dependable up till the end of the 2023 mowing season. At that time I installed a Hipa replacement carburetor when it got hard to start, especially after a warm restart. The Hipa carburetor and tune-up I did in November of 2023 is still great. It starts up great cold. My usual procedure with this unit is about 6 pumps on the primer bulb, full choke and pull. Then it'll usually fire off and I can reduce the choke and it'll usually go on and go. When it's warm, it'll usually crank with no primer bulb or choke action at all. The problem I'm having is with this choke lever here. When the blower is running, it works its way back and chokes itself out. See how loose that is? Let me get the cover off. You can see how much play there is in that. So as it's running and I'm using it, it annoyingly goes full choke. So I'm going to replace this air cover base here with a replacement used when I bought off of eBay. You can see how wobbly and worn out that is there. It's nothing for it to go in the full choke unless I'm holding it while I'm running it. It's just wore out. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is get this cover off of here. It is very important to change your air filter at least once during the season and at the start of a new one. This is the problem that I'm having. To remove this plate, there are some nuts here to take off. A 5/16 socket is what I'm using here, and they don't give you much room for a socket to slide over that nut. And with both of those removed, my plate should come off. This same plate here mounts your carburetor also, so that's going to come loose, or be loose. Once I get those two bolts off, this plate should come off. You can just see how worn that is though. A lot of play in that. Nothing to keep the choke from just cutting itself on. Definitely barbecue baked North Carolina style with hush puppies and slaw. Okay, I'm going to open up the one that I ordered on eBay. Let's see if it's the same thing that I looked at. It's packed very well, I'll say that. I'll have to work on that a minute. There Okay, the one on the left here is the old one. This is the new one, or the new used one from eBay. I would say that is definitely going to work a lot better than mine. No free play in that one. You want to make sure that your gasket is in place here. Mine didn't come off, so I'm not going to disturb it. You don't want to torque down too much on these because this is plastic, and it is aging plastic at that. I'm going to kind of give them a snug down and then a back and forth even snug tightening up. That should work a lot better. Get high quality air filters and other parts for your small engine needs at hipastore.com, Hipa Store on eBay and Amazon. I will go in with a brand new air filter. The tabs on this outer cover will slide into the base plate. Then slide the tab lock into place. Oh yeah, that's the deal right there. I can actually feel it snap. Okay, let's try it out with our new air filter plate installed, our base plate, and see how it does. Awesome. This blower will be a lot more pleasant to use now that it won't choke itself anymore. These Stihl BG 65 blowers are real troopers. If you need air filters for your BG 65, check out my link description for great deals on packs of replacement air filters from hipastore.com. Hipa also has a carburetor replacement for this unit, and mine's been on there for over a year and it's doing great. Save yourself some money, get your machine running again with Hipa products. I love my BG 65 Stihl blower, and I'm gonna use it, keep using it. I hope it's gonna be around another season or more to come. Keep your blower cleaned and maintained and you'll have good service from a Stihl 2-stroke. Let me and others know about your experiences with the Stihl BG 65 blower in the comments section. And until the next time, I'm Big Al Cox. I wish you many blessings from my shop to yours.